Hello students, this is Karan Kumar Physics. Today I am going to discuss about transistor. So this transistor is a device which is important topic for skill also, which transfer. Transistor is a device which transfer the resistance. Okay, the transistor is a device which transfer the resistance. So how to define the transistor means sandwich. Sandwiching the p-type or n-type. P-type or n-type semiconductor to PN junction diode. To PN junction diode. Sandwiching of p-type or n-type to PN junction diode is called transistor. Okay. I want to explain what are the parts of a transistor. There are three parts. The first one is called emitter. Second one is called base. Third one is called collector. Okay, emitter, base, collector. So for this emitter, what is the doping and size? Emitter, base, collector. How the doping and size should be present. Okay. So for emitter, the doping is high and size is moderate. For base, doping is low, size is thin. For collector, doping is moderate, collector size is high or large. Okay, this is about the doping and size of emitter, base and collector. Next important point in this, there are two types of transistors. Okay, they are P, N, P or N, P, N. Second one is NPN. First one is PNP. Second one is NPN. See here, this is a PN junction diode. Then what happens? A p-type semiconductor is sandwiched to the PN junction diode. In this case, the n-type semiconductor is sandwiched to the PN junction diode. Okay, that's why in any case of a transistor, there exist two types of PN junction diodes or PN junctions. Two PN junctions will be present. Two PN junctions will be present for each transistor. Okay. Now see, this is a PN P. In this case, this is the first PN junction and this is the second PN junction. Okay. In the case of NPN also, this is the one PN junction and this is the second PN junction. That means when according to collector, emitter, base, collector, emitter, base, collector, the electronic symbol for transistor is represented like this. This is a electronic symbol circuit for transistor. So if the arrow is like this, P and P, then the direction indicates current. In the case of NPN transistor, okay, the direction of the current will be reverse. So this is the emitter, base, collector. Again emitter, base, collector. The direction of conventional current in the PNP transistor is from emitter to base. The direction of conventional current in the NPN transistor is from P to N or base to emitter. Okay, that is about the symbol, electronic symbol. Okay, otherwise if you want to show in terms of size, what I told, for base, this is the emitter, this is the base, this is the collector. So if it is either P, NP or if it represents NPN, both are should be according to size, it can be represented like this. Okay. Now what is the working of a transistor? What is the working of a transistor? For example, I want to explain about the working of PNP transistor. Then see here. The other two conditions are important. The first PN junction, that means emitter base junction should be in forward bias. Emitter base junction should be in forward bias, and second PN junction, base collector junction, is said to be in reverse bias. Base collector junction should be in reverse bias. Okay. Next, the working of PNP transistor. So this is P and P. In P, the majority charge carriers are holes. Okay. In P, the majority charge carriers are holes. In N, the majority charge carriers are electrons. Okay. Now what happens? What I told here, the emitter base junction should be in forward bias. That means this P-type terminal is connected to positive terminal of the battery and N-type is connected to negative terminal of the battery. Then the diode is said to be in forward bias. That means this PN junction, emitter base junction is in the forward bias. This is a collector. Now what happens here? This collector base junction should be in reverse bias. So for that, now this N-type is connected to positive terminal of the battery and p type is connected to negative terminal of the battery, then it is said to be reverse biased condition. So this is the input, that means VVB, this is the VCC, output, input battery, output battery. The direction of electrons from the circuit is from this is the external circuit through which the electron should be come out from minus to plus. Okay, minus to plus, external circuit. Okay, so due to this positive terminal of the battery, the positive charges, nothing but holes, are repelled along this direction. Okay, due to this repulsion, the large number of holes should enter into the base, and also some of the holes interact with the electrons and neutralize, and also remaining will enter into the collector. So due to the repulsion, initially there exists a current named as emitter current will be produced. So this emitter current, when it enter into the base, that will produce a small current which is called the base current. And after the remaining all the number of holes maximum will enter into the collector region, and all these are swept or attracted by the negative terminal of the battery. Then it is said to be collector junction. Okay, this is only 1% of IE. This is only 99% of IE, or otherwise you can write, if it is 2%, then it will becomes 98% of IE. Okay, that's why in the case of a PNP transistor, there exists 2 P's more, that means compared to N, P's are more. That's why the total current conduction takes place due to the holes. Okay, the total current conduction takes place due to the holes. There are 3 types of configuration. There are 3 types of configuration. One is called common emitter, one is called common base, one is called common collector. Common emitter, common base, common collector. What is meant by common here? Means this common is nothing but, that means that the object or the terminal should be connected to the earth, and the remaining 2 terminals will be access. One is input and other one is output. For example, this is the emitter, that means emitter is common. So only what remains, base and collector will present. Here base is common, so what will remains? Emitter and collector will present. Here collector is common, means emitter and base will be present. Like that you will connect these circuits, which are more important for mains as well as NEET. Okay, tomorrow I will discuss it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel Sri Sai Physics for Mains and NEET, and also please share to the maximum number of persons who are studying this intermediate +1 and +2. Thank you for watching.